y'all like them? I love them. I really do. I've never got my nails this bright red before. And they actually look good. What y'all think? What do y'all think? I like them. I see you, sir. I see you. All right. Guys, I'm up in Sam Club. I just got my nails done and my eyebrows done. Now I'm up in Sam Club getting tissue, paper towels, paper plates, garbage bags, you know, that type of thing. Let's go see what they got in their bakery section and get my babies them another apple cider for tonight. Let's see what they got. Oh, that's cute. Look at this, y'all. Isn't that cute? It's a log of cookies. So pretty. Mittens and a sweater. And then these right here. These are cute. Little cake balls. Hot chocolate. Then they got all these goodies. Oh, these look good too. Oh, look at this, the Grinch cupcakes. These look good. All these cake pops. Gotta get one of these. Maybe I'll get both. The cookies. How much are these? It's $11. I think I'll just get the cookies for them tonight. I'll get the tenderloins. They the cheapest. This is my cart. Not too much. Alright, I think I'm done. Let's go see how much this is. Alright, y'all, so I am back from Sam Club and all that mess. I had to straighten up my kitchen, wash the dishes, and sweep the floor, of course. Now I'm gonna do my little haul for you guys. Hi y'all, how y'all doing? I got apples, green apples, and red apples. They were 2 for $5. I got a bag of navel oranges. I got me 4 lemons for some tea, a gallon of apple cider. I got some croutons for a salad with some romaine lettuce. I got a thing of ground beef. We're supposed to be having tacos tonight. I don't know about that. I got some original syrup, some Hidden Valley ranch dressing, a rotisserie chicken from Sam's. So I got a thing of strawberries. I also got this from Sam's Club. These new Christmas dishes, Christmas plates with the snowman, gingerbread man, and cookies, candy canes, and Christmas trees. So cute. A 5 in here. I also got some honey wheat bread, 2 loaves of white. 2 loaves of white. I got 2 jumbo things of buttery flake biscuits. I think of tomatoes for the salad. I got my baby some new, I don't know if these new or not, but these are Mighty. They red kiwi in the middle. Y'all see that? They red. Y'all see my nails? Red like the kiwi. I had to try that. And also, I got from Sam's Club the variety pack Ziplocs for my container. I will be filling that up. I got some 200 tall kitchen garbage bags. Because y'all know, I got time to be going to the store. Look, they open these already. I can't even do my haul. Some cookies from Sam's, Christmas trees, mittens, and sweaters. Y'all, that's funny. Because I tried to make these cookies. Hopefully y'all saw that video. That was so funny. Okay. I got some croissants. What else? Oh. I got some bananas, some bell pepper, and 2 large cucumbers, and a bag of chicken breast tenderloin. I also got some, what else did I get? Oh, paper towels and tissue from Sam's. I'm not bringing that back in here, but that's what I got. So I'm about to put all my stuff up, and then I'm going to show you a package I got from Amazon. But I don't know how I went back on. All right, guys, the fridge is done. Beverages, veggies, fruit, more veggies. Nicely packed away. What is, you know what, I'll get that another day. But yeah, everything is put away nicely. And yeah, please hit that like and subscribe once again, and I will see you guys tomorrow.